how to change your Instagram notification sound on iPhone. So this is the latest version. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go to your settings. Then once you're on your settings, make sure you are on the latest update. So what you have to do is you're gonna have to click on general. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on the second option right here where it says software update. Just click on that. And as you guys can see, I am not on the latest one. So if you're just like me, make sure you download and install it or else it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna just install it real quick. So I just updated my phone and I'm on the latest update. Now from here, what I have to do is I'm gonna have to scroll down, click under notification. It should be sound and haptics. Just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down and click on text tone. Just click on that. Now from here, you have many options you could choose from. For example, this one. So whatever tone you like, you could just pick one. You could also download all the purchase tones. For example, if you click on that, obviously you're gonna have to click on transfer. You could also click on tone store, click on tones, and you could add new tones, but you do have to pay for it. But as you guys can see, if you just go back and right from here, you could get free tones. So if this would have helped you, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below as we see how you change the Instagram notification sound tone.